How to turn on anonymous posts in Facebook group. First of all, go ahead and open up the Facebook application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the Facebook homepage. Here, you can view pages and friends' posts. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Menu. Then, tap on Groups as shown. You can view all your groups on Facebook from here. Open any of your groups from here. Once you're here, tap on Manage. Scroll down to the Settings section and tap on Group Settings. Now, go over to the Manage Discussion section. Tap on Anonymous Participation. Anonymous participation allows members to post, comment and react in the group without sharing their name and profile photo. Select On. Then, tap on Save below. Following these steps, you can easily turn on anonymous posts in Facebook group.